Hello, children. Today, let's learn about operations on fractions. There are four main operations on fractions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's talk about addition of fractions. First, let's learn the addition of like fractions. If you don't know what like fractions are, please watch our video on the introduction to fractions. The link is mentioned in the description. First, add the numerators. Keep the denominator the same. Finally, simplify if possible. Example, add 1/5 and 2/5. Add the numerators, 1 plus 2 equals 3, and keep the denominator 5. No further simplification needed. Addition of unlike fractions. Find the LCM, lowest common multiple, of the denominators. Convert fractions into like fractions. Make denominators the same. Add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. Simplify the fraction if possible. Add 2/3 and 1/4. First, find the denominators. Denominators are 3 and 4. Then find the LCM, lowest common multiple, of denominators. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Next, convert fractions to like fractions, same denominator. 2/3 multiply by 4 and 1/5 multiply by 3. Add the numerators, keep denominator same. Addition of mixed numbers. Steps to add mixed numbers. Add the whole numbers together. Check the denominators of the fractional parts. If the denominators are the same, add the numerators and keep the same denominator. Step 1. Add whole numbers. Step 2. Check denominators of the fractions. Denominators are 3 and 7. Step 3. Find the LCM of 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Step 4. Convert to equivalent fractions. Step 5. Add fractions. Step 6. Convert improper fraction to mixed number. Step 7. Add with whole numbers. Whole numbers were 5. Now add the extra 1. New whole number is 6. Subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. Keep the denominator same. Subtract only the numerators. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Step 1. Find LCM of denominators, 4 and 7. LCM equals 28. Step 2. Make equivalent fractions. Step 3. Subtract numerators. Subtraction of mixed numbers. Subtract the whole numbers first. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Check the denominators. Denominator are 5 and 4. Find the LCM of 5 and 4. LCM is 20. Convert fractions into equivalent fractions. Subtract the numerators. Multiplication of fractions. When multiplying fractions, multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. Simplify if possible. Example 2. Check for simplification, cross-cancellation. If the numerator of one fraction and the denominator of the other fraction have a common factor, simplify them before multiplying. This makes the calculation easier. Simplify first. 4 and 8 divide both numbers by 4. Fractions become multiply numerators. Multiply denominators. Multiplication of mixed numbers. Step 1. Convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Step 2. Simplify the fractions, if possible, before multiplying. Step 3. Multiply numerators and denominators separately. Step 4. Convert the improper fraction back to a mixed number. Division of fractions. Rule of division of fractions. To divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is a reciprocal? The reciprocal of a fraction is formed by swapping the numerator and denominator. Step 1. Keep the first fraction as it is. Step 2. Replace division with multiplication and take reciprocal of the second fraction. Step 3. Multiply numerators and denominators.
Subscribe to our channel for more important videos. The Math Bookstore. Unlock the beauty of mathematics.